The Shaheed 136 drone has emerged as a significant weapon. It comes from Iran's growing drone arsenal. This unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, is making its mark. It represents a new type of aerial threat. The drone is essentially a loitering munition. Many call it a kamikaze or suicide drone. Its design appears relatively simple. This simplicity is a key factor. It allows for easier mass production. This drone is changing how some wars are fought. This drone possesses considerable long-range capabilities. It can travel hundreds, even thousands of kilometers. This allows it to strike targets far from its launch point. Such reach extends the operational possibilities for its users. Precision strikes are another highlighted feature of the Shaheed 136. It is designed to hit specific designated objectives. This capability attempts to limit unintended collateral damage. However, its actual accuracy can vary depending on guidance, systems, and countermeasures. The effectiveness of its precision is a constant discussion. One of the most notable aspects of the Shaheed 136 is its low cost. This provides a major strategic advantage to its operators. It is significantly cheaper than traditional cruise missiles. This affordability permits deployment in large numbers. Consequently, users can employ swarm tactics. Large groups of drones can be launched simultaneously. Such tactics aim to overwhelm enemy air defenses. The Shaheed 136 is therefore a highly cost-effective weapon system available today. This economic efficiency makes it attractive to various state and non-state actors globally. The Shaheed 136 was developed by Iran's Shaheed Aviation Industries. This entity is central to Iran's burgeoning drone development program. The drone has seen operational use in several conflict zones. Its presence and impact have been increasingly documented. The physical design features a distinctive delta wing shape. It is powered by a pusher-propeller engine. This propulsion system means it is relatively slow compared to jets. This characteristic, while a vulnerability, also contributes to its endurance and low thermal signature, making detection harder. Iran began supplying Shaheed 136 drones to Russia around July 2022. This development signaled a new phase in the Ukraine conflict. United States National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan revealed intelligence at the time. He stated Iran was preparing to send several hundred UAVs. This included the Shaheed 136 models. The transfer highlighted a growing military cooperation between Tehran and Moscow. Russia sought these systems to bolster its own capabilities. Its existing stockpiles of similar weapons were perhaps dwindling. These drones offered a readily available solution. Russia has extensively used Shaheed 136 drones in Ukraine. They are primarily deployed for one-way kamikaze strikes. Key targets have included Ukraine's energy infrastructure. Command and control centers have also been frequently attacked. Ammunition and supply depots are also considered priority targets. Russia often deploys these drones in swarms. This tactic is specifically designed to saturate and overwhelm Ukrainian air defenses. It forces Ukraine to expend valuable and costly surface-to-air missiles. The drones also help map out Ukrainian air defense positions. The Shaheed 136 has a notable operational range. Standard versions can reportedly travel up to 2,500 kilometers. A newer variant, the Shaheed 136B, is claimed to have an extended range. This version can supposedly reach targets up to 4,000 kilometers away. The drone typically carries a warhead weighing between 40 and 50 kilograms. This payload is substantial enough to cause significant damage. For navigation, the Shaheed 136 primarily relies on GPS. It utilizes satellite navigation systems to guide it to pre-programmed targets. The production cost of a single Shaheed 136 unit is relatively low. Estimates place it between $20,000 and $50,000. This makes it an exceptionally cheap way to deliver a potent explosive payload. Despite this low manufacturing cost, reports suggest Russia pays a premium. Some sources indicate payments of up to $290,000 per drone for smaller shipments. This price likely reflects urgent demand and limited initial supply. To address this, Iran is reportedly assisting Russia in establishing a domestic drone manufacturing facility in Yelabuga, Tatarstan. This facility aims to produce thousands of drones. The deployment of Shaheed 136 drones creates a significant psychological impact. The threat of these drones generates constant fear among civilian populations. Military personnel also experience increased pressure due to their persistent presence. Attacks often occur during the nighttime. The distinctive buzzing sound of the drone's engine has become infamous. This sound alone can induce anxiety before any impact. The Shaheed 136 thus serves as a weapon of attrition. It wears down both material resources and morale. This psychological toll is a key part of its strategic effect. The widespread use of the Shaheed 136 in the Ukraine conflict provides Iran with invaluable battlefield data. This real-world operational experience is crucial. It allows Iran to gather intelligence on the drone's performance. This data directly informs efforts to refine and improve its drone designs. The development of the Shaheed 136B, with its extended range, is likely one such outcome. Future Iranian drones will benefit from these lessons learned. This iterative improvement cycle is a significant strategic benefit for Tehran. It helps Iran stay competitive in asymmetric warfare technology. Ukrainian forces have developed and deployed various countermeasures against the Shaheed 136. Advanced air defense systems, many supplied by Western allies, play a critical role. Electronic jamming techniques are also employed extensively. These methods disrupt the drone's guidance systems. Ukraine is continually improving its counter-drone tactics and technologies. Mobile air defense units equipped with rapid-fire cannons and machine guns actively hunt the drones. Early warning systems and civilian reporting also contribute to interception efforts. Ukraine's adaptation has been notably swift. Despite its effectiveness, the Shaheed 136 has inherent vulnerabilities. Its strong reliance on GPS for navigation is a primary weakness. Electronic warfare systems can jam these satellite signals. Spoofing techniques can deceive the drone's navigation, causing it to miss its target or even return. Ukraine has reportedly used its indigenous Pokrova EW system to great effect. This system can suppress and spoof satellite navigation. The drone's pre-programmed flight paths also limit its adaptability. It cannot easily react to dynamic threats or changes in the battlefield environment once launched. Its relatively slow speed also makes it a target for certain defense systems. The Shaheed 136, particularly the longer-range Shaheed 136B variant, has significant implications. It could play a key role if tensions between the United States and Iran escalate. With a claimed range of 4,000 kilometers, this drone could threaten American assets. Military bases and installations across the Middle East would be within its reach. Even parts of southern Europe could potentially be targeted. This capability provides Iran with additional retaliatory options. It undoubtedly alters strategic calculations and deterrence dynamics in the region. Some analysts even suggest Iran might use proxies in other regions for launches. Iran's export of Shaheed 136 drones to Russia has drawn widespread international condemnation. Numerous countries and international bodies have criticized the transfers. The United States and the European Union have imposed sanctions. These measures target Iranian individuals and entities. Shaheed Aviation Industries, the drone's manufacturer, is among those sanctioned. The goal of these sanctions is to curb Iran's drone production and proliferation. However, the overall effectiveness of such measures in halting these activities remains a subject of ongoing debate among policymakers and experts. Iran is not only exporting drones, but also assisting Russia with domestic production. Reports from US intelligence in June 2023 indicated this cooperation. Iran is allegedly helping Russia build a drone manufacturing facility. This plant is located in Yelabuga within Russia's Alabuga Special Economic Zone. The stated aim is to produce approximately 6,000 drones by mid-2025. This development signifies deepening military technical ties between the two nations. It also underscores the perceived success and utility of the Shaheed platform. This could encourage further proliferation of similar drone technology globally. The Shaheed 136 is undeniably a prominent example of evolving drone warfare. It highlights the impact of affordable yet potent aerial threats. This type of weapon significantly influences asymmetric warfare doctrines. Nations worldwide must adapt their defense postures and procurement strategies. The challenge is to counter these low-cost systems effectively without bankrupting defense budgets. The future will likely see an increase in the development and deployment of such systems. Consequently, counter-drone technologies and tactics will also continue to advance. This represents a continuous cycle of innovation and adaptation in modern conflict.